Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone simply exploring the latest in the automotive world, we bring you detailed insights, reviews, and updates on the cars you love. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hillman Minx, a car that beautifully blends modern technology with a touch of nostalgia. The 2025 Hillman Minx is a standout vehicle designed for drivers who appreciate a balance of style, comfort, and performance. With its sleek design and well-crafted lines, the Minx grabs attention on the road while maintaining its iconic heritage. The exterior features a bold front grille, LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours that not only add to its aesthetic appeal but also improve its efficiency. The attention to detail in the design reflects a modern approach while staying true to the legacy of the Minx name. Under the hood, the Minx comes equipped with a highly efficient powertrain. It features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking an eco-friendlier option, the Minx is also available in a hybrid variant, which pairs a 1.2-liter engine with an electric motor for enhanced fuel savings. Both options provide smooth acceleration and a responsive driving experience, making it a great choice for city commutes and long-distance drives alike. The interior of the Hillman Minx is where comfort meets technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious cabin that offers premium upholstery and soft-touch materials throughout. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, which supports seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and voice commands. The car is equipped with a premium sound system that ensures an immersive audio experience for both drivers and passengers. Ample legroom in both the front and rear seats makes it a perfect fit for families or individuals looking for a comfortable ride. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Hillman Minx. The vehicle comes equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the Minx includes a 360-degree camera system that provides a clear view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Hillman has ensured that the Minx meets the highest safety standards, offering peace of mind to its drivers. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Minx delivers a smooth and refined experience. Its suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, ensuring a comfortable ride on various road conditions. The precise steering and enhanced stability make it an easy car to handle, whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway. The hybrid variant also features regenerative braking, which not only improves efficiency but also adds to the overall driving experience. The 2025 Hillman Minx offers multiple trim levels, allowing buyers to choose a configuration that best suits their needs. From the base model, which is packed with essential features, to the top-tier variant with all the bells and whistles, there's a Minx for everyone. Customization options for the exterior color, interior finishes, and additional packages allow buyers to make their Minx truly unique. The Hillman Minx is more than just a car, it's a blend of heritage, innovation, and practicality. Whether you're drawn to its stylish design, advanced technology, or efficient performance, the 2025 Hillman Minx stands out as a compelling choice in its segment. It's a car that not only meets but exceeds expectations, making it a worthy consideration for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish vehicle. Thank you for joining us here at Auto Avenue, your go-to channel for automotive reviews and updates. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support keeps us going, and we'll see you in the next video.